Well, we painted this masonry wall. See if it'll got lots of holes and stuff in it. So we're going to take some TX110 and make the majority of them go away. And we got some repair work over here. I'm going to use the what is it? The decorator's filler that I normally use in there. Everything's disappeared this morning from where it's supposed to be. Oh, here we go. So I'll be squirting some polyfilla in there just to take away some of the holes and stuff. Now, not to make it a smooth wall. The TX110 for the flat surfaces. And if I had a big hole that I wanted to fill quickly, I'd use the Rod Seal wood filler, 2-part polyesters plastic. So what I use is 4-inch knife and a little one. And I'm probably not doing this the right way. What I do is just take it, put it on there. And that's about it, you know. Don't want any lines. It's filling quite nicely, actually. It's going in real good. See if we can get up there. So, I mean, it's like painting. You don't need to go over it 4 or 5 times. Just get the stuff on and move on to the next bit. They're actually probably going to need some light to see how good of a job it does. Now this wall over here where this stuff is, I put some plastic in that hole to try and stop the stuff going in too deeply. I was going to use the hard stuff. I'm going to use polyfilla on that big joint there. So we just keep doing that, and then once it starts drying up a little bit, you can come back and look for marks, excess marks on the wall. You got about a ½ an hour pot life with this stuff, so you can fool it out a little bit, but not a whole lot. So I think is that about it, really, for the moment. Gonna put the bike racks up. I got to move the electrical switch now from there to that door. We're going to make this door dead. That's a dead door now. You're looking at a dead door walking. We're going to put a new window in, 60 by 60 centimeters. Get one made, double what you call it, double insulated. And anyway, there we go. It's Monday. Not bad.